So I'm currently in Playa del Carmen in Mexico. Today we're going to be doing some POV photography with the iPhone 11 Pro. I just want to prove that you don't always need a fancy camera to shoot some great pictures. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go.
It's been a while since I did one of these videos, so let's start off with some symmetry maybe. Like a classic street shot. We got 3 lenses to choose from: tele, wide, and the regular one. We'll see which one we end up using the most. Hola. Hola. Let's maybe walk along this street. I do like the yellow building here. Let's see if we can shoot it. Get some people in there. Just trying not to get run over. We got some cars everywhere. So I'm currently shooting with the iPhone 11 Pro. It's quite a little bit of an older model already, but when there's bright sunlight as there is at the moment, it shouldn't really be a problem. Let's maybe make a picture of the artwork they got going on here. How can we shoot it? Not bad. Maybe a frontal one too. I'm gonna have to back up a little bit more. I'm not sure if I can get it in the frame yet. About just. By the way, if you've ever been to Playa del Carmen, you probably remember it a bit differently than here, as we're not in the center, we're a little bit more on the side. Oh, we do have these staircases here. Can we like make something out of it? Maybe from the other side. It's a little bit a shame of the tree, but let's shoot it anyways. You have these staircases making an interesting X shape here as well. Maybe we should shoot it close and wide. Like something like this, maybe. Let's try and shoot against the harsh sunlight. Get some interesting leading lines. Bam, not bad. Kind of want to have the car in it still. We have some water here. Maybe if I shoot the other way, we can get an interesting reflection. Let's see how it looks. Maybe if I turn it upside down. Maybe I can get a car in there at one point. Ooh, maybe there's a good one in there. See if we can get some more interesting elements. Too many cars. Maybe I can still make the frame. Bam. Let's walk past it. So I do like the feel of it. Maybe I can make it like down low. Not sure what they look like. I aimed a bit too low. Take a picture from the brother. Maybe one more. And my shadow was in the frame, but the actual truck looks interesting, so I didn't mind it. There's something to the shot. Maybe the guy on the motorcycle is also not a bad frame. Let's see from here. Bam. Yeah, this car has had a rough life. Trying to hunt for moments now. See if we can maybe shoot some of the workers like wide with everybody in the shot. I like the parrot. Let's see. Seems to be a church, iglesia. This was not bad of a frame actually. Kind of a shame of the car, but maybe I can frame it without it from here somewhere. Maybe through it. Like that. A little bit, maybe frontal from here. It's not bad. Kind of would like to go a bit wider, maybe this way. This might be one of the better frames of today. I would like to get one slightly cornered, maybe from here. It's like a military base. Gonna have to be a bit lower. And that's it for today, guys. Like, subscribe if you're into these shorter kind of POV videos. For the rest, as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.